अभी दिल
Let's
टूटा
hope together.
सीजन 2 में तो सीजन 3 आया तो पता चले so then anything can happen ना then maybe
Yeah, we'll find out.
He starts the party and ends it also.
yeah
If there is
that's
anything
where
to
the
climb,
party
he will
starts.
climb it.
Yeah.
Apparently, the season
jump
2
from
that scene, that party house scene, was it legit a party?
No,
Like-
No.
never on set
He really
साथ
talks
जाना?
highly about Priyanka Chopra, like a lot.
Yeah.
Which I feel is, I'm assuming he wants to work with her
Yeah.
again and again.
Who wouldn't?
Yeah, but you talk very highly of her,
Yeah.
so I'm
I do
gonna
talk
take-
very highly of her. Yeah.
Yeah.
So Priyanka Chopra.
Priyanka Chopra
Hello everyone, this is Aina and welcome to Instant Bollywood. I'm in conversation with the cast of Mismatched Season 3. Nice to have you. Rohit, Rajat, Esa, Sabhinav, Lauren, Taruk. So nice to have you guys.
thank you so much
इतना excited लोग हैं Season 3 के लिए. लोग ये भी जानना चाहते हैं कि ending is happy this time, more or less.
You'll find out on the 13th of December.
Because a lot of hearts were broken, a lot of people cried during the ending of season 2. तो यही उम्मीद है कि season 3 will have like a very nice hope.
Yeah, here's hoping.
see अभी दिल
Let's
टूटा
hope together.
सीजन 2 में तो सीजन 3 आया तो पता चले so then anything can happen ना then
Anything can
maybe
Yeah, we'll find out.
We'll find out.
how
Okay,
it
we're
goes
going to
and
jump in right into a segment. I'm sure आपने खेला होगा Who's Most Likely To.
got it
Have you played
Yes.
it today?
Yeah.
No.
Did anyone play
No,
this?
today we did.
No, no.
yes
Yes.
I'm glad.
We played it yesterday.
Yeah.
yesterday we did today we
Today you all haven't.
We've never.
Okay. Who's most likely to give a lot of
Retakes.
ज्ञान,
Oh.
unnecessary ज्ञान? तारो?
I point.
किस चीज पे आप ज्ञान दे रहे हो?
Everything.
हर चीज पे
Everything.
You give him a topic
No,
and he
it's
can
not.
talk
Hey,
about
hey,
it.
one second. It's not like advice.
I think
it's not advice
It's information.
it's a lot
He
of
knows a
knowledge
lot about a
yeah,
lot of
of
things.
info
Yeah.
Very well
It's
read.
just a lot of useless trivia.
Do you read a lot?
Yes.
He's very well read. I think.
Online.
Yeah, thanks.
how many books have you
नहीं
downloaded
वही
You
online
don't get
बोल
to
दिया
say
ना
that in front of Prajakta. He's like,
I don't.
He's smart.
I don't think he's a. I don't think he's a reader. I think he's a watcher.
Yeah.
Watches a
Watcher.
lot. of-
like he will randomly come up to you one day and be like so in 1969 there was this one helicopter that the Russians had kind of bought it was made in France and do you know that the engine has this why do I remember this shit?
No, that's good.
see
wow. Okay, so you are the ज्ञानी one.
yeah
Someone who will get drunk in 2 drinks.
MiG 25 huh
Me.
Who will get drunk in 2 drinks?
Oh,
सबकी capacity खराब है.
We saw me at my birthday parties.
I saw
guess.
Yeah.
it was great.
everyone look at me I love you now pause everyone pause
Okay, so everyone's capacity is like bad. Okay, someone who's very emotional in a relationship. सब है पर आपको क्या लगता है कि who's most likely to be the emotional one? Rohit?
लग रहा है.
Really?
Heart
Yeah,
boy.
yeah.
Okay. Who's the life of a party? Who's most likely to be a life?
Run Vijay
Yeah.
Vijay. He's not here.
Vijay.
Please tell us
100%.
something.
I mean, he'll be on a table.
He
for
starts the
sure.
party and ends it also.
yeah
If there is
that's
anything
where
to
the
climb,
party
he will
starts
climb it.
Yeah.
Apparently, the season
jump
2
from
that scene, that party house scene, was it legit a party?
No,
Like-
No.
never on set
No.
the parties are always off set
Yeah.
but every party that Run Vijay is a part of he is the life of
He dances on top of tables.
On
and
top
when
of
he wants
walls.
and when he wants to end the parties, he would climb a tree or a wall and he would just start talking.
In
And
the
he would
mic.
shut the music while everyone is dancing and he starts talking. Everyone's like, Ranvijay, get down. So that's how he
He
kind of.
doesn't end only the party.
Yeah.
the
Lovely.
party ends when he decides
So that you need one person in
Yeah.
a group
Yeah.
like that. Fair. Okay, someone who says a lot of stupid things in interviews and then regrets it.
Me. I said something very stupid in the last interview.
What
was
did
a
you say?
pickup line.
Yeah.
I was stupid I was cute only.
And I
was
think
it
I
very-
misunderstood a question and answered a wrong one. So I feel that was stupid. Like.
So that's okay, it
I
happens.
think
But
we all
what,
say stupid things in interviews.
Yeah.
and then you all regret it?
No, why regret? We're stupid, we know it.
We are accepting.
No, sometimes I feel like I'm saying something and then I lose the trail of thought and then I say so. I digress a lot actually. That's my problem.
I think that's most of us
Yeah.
in interviews. Okay, someone जो sets पे काफी late आता है.
Set पे late.
Set
पे
पे
late कोई
कोई
नहीं
भी
है,
नहीं.
I don't think
Set
so.
पे late. Set पे late. नहीं
Set पे. अच्छा life में late कौन आता है? अभी ना. Everyone's looking at him. How late were you today?
No, today I wasn't late.
What is that called?
You have come and told
Not
people
being on
why
time?
you were late also.
I was late.
क्या
by
हुआ?
15 minutes.
BK
15
say we blame
15,
the
20,
traffic.
No, I didn't. I blame only
He
myself.
lives in Bandra.
Oh,
But I only
Hey,
blame
but
myself.
Bandra to BKC is also thoda
So far, na? So far.
मैं 2 घंटे का सफर करके आई हूँ मलाड से.
Yes.
मैं
Suffer.
थाने से आई हूँ.
mic drop.
Thane.
Mic drop. Okay. Someone who's always on time. Always, no matter what. Set हो या ना हो.
Hmm.
Punctual. कौन?
Rohit, Taro ka
Rohit.
both like Taro. हाँ, they're both very like particular.
Punctual. Always.
Yeah.
Acha. Perfect. Okay. Someone who laughs a lot during serious scenes.
रोहित ये क्या है इसके साथ माय गॉड
क्या हुआ था मुझे ये जानना है. कौन से सीन में? Was it like a intense crying scene?
It wasn't intense. No, यार मतलब
Why
ऐसे
intense?
नहीं, not like that, but I think it's just scenes in general. I feel serious scenes में भी हो जाता है, but हाँ ऐसे रोने वाले scenes में नहीं होता.
रोने वाले
नहीं रोने वाले सीन्स में तो मुश्किल है.
रोने वाले तो सिर्फ सीजन 1 में तब हुआ था. बाहर में गई तुम्हारी आप.
तुम नहीं. She was laughing. I was like, you weren't there.
Okay. Okay. Someone who do you think has the best fashion sense amongst all of you?
Rohit.
Rohit.
Rohit looks smart.
Rohit looks
Wow, Nikita, Saloni, thank you guys.
Oh.
Oh.
Love you both.
Okay. I was like, who is it?
अच्छा.
खुद थोड़ी बुनता है ये.
हमको thank you.
Who's most likely to forget their lines on set? No one?
Not really.
No, not forget lines.
No.
Yeah.
Quite
We're
prepared.
well
Actually, I'll be very honest. There are lots of times when I read it once and I don't end up remembering the lines. I end up paraphrasing a lot. But that this is a show where you can sort of do that and not hamper the scene. And we have had the liberty to do that with the creators of the show.
Yeah.
So it's a lot of improvisation
Not a lot.
in a way.
No, but it's never like we're never told to stick to the line word to
Word
word.
to word.
मतलब
As
एक
long
बारी
as the idea-
conversation
I mean,
समझ में आ गई तो
yeah.
फिर
Unless-
As long as we retain the meaning, it's
Yeah, oh, sorry.
it's fine.
Unless like there are certain words that define a certain situation or like certain sort of statements that kind of make or break the situation, I think then you need to kind of stick to it. We do end up sticking to it. We remember our lines, most of it, but like there are situations sometimes where we just kind of wing it. Yeah.
What the character feels,
Yeah.
basically. Okay. Who's most likely to get hangry very fast?
Right now, Rohit.
Rohit?
Yeah, right now. Rohit.
Life also, I think.
Right now means what?
In life.
आज
He
तो
was,
5
yeah,
मील
he
का है.
was. Even
No,
during
it's
Fine.
Oh, always like that.
Needs food.
Yeah. Food.
And like this, like in a like
Yeah.
he'll be fine and in a minute
Like we took a 10-minute break. We
As
took a 10
in?
minute because he was hungry. He was very hungry, and we were feeling bad. We were like, please खा ले.
You did not say anything at all. I just said I need to
please
eat.
Kali.
Please खा ले.
that was just
Okay. I
That's
don't
the paraphrasing we were talking about.
Okay. Someone who's very addicted to their phone. Who's most likely to be addicted to their phone?
You know, can I tell you something? Everyone is.
सबसे ज़्यादा कोई तो होगा ज़्यादा.
At this point, everyone is. With social media, everyone is addicted to their phones.
That's true.
You cannot say, oh, you know what, I'm not, because every 2 minutes, 5 minutes, you'd see yourself
You'll
kind of
touch
checking
your
your phone,
phone, yeah.
checking for notifications. So it could be anything, but I feel everyone is.
Yeah.
सबसे ज़्यादा self obsessed कौन है? I feel like he has
Everyone
the name.
is. We're actors.
But still, in a good way, it doesn't have to
competition
be
तो है
bad.
वैसे.
हाँ. Competition किस में है?
भाई
कोई तो ना, because you're laughing and
अरे I'm
not
laughing
saying
because I
anything.
think it's true. Everyone is.
Everyone
I really
is.
do
I
think
am.
everyone is. In a good way, in a healthy way.
Rajita?
You should just see all of us walk in a corridor where there's a mirror.
Yeah.
सभी देखेंगे.
Yeah.
Yeah. We will look at.
You don't even need to be an actor for that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even everyone would.
Everyone is. Okay. Who do you think is most likely to have the best sense of humor amongst all of you?
I find Prajakta very funny.
Abhinav and Taruk, I think,
Why?
are really funny.
These two.
Yeah.
Lauren is
Maybe I
saying
haven't because I haven't spent that much probably.
time.
No, also
Yeah.
on set. Like I've watched these people like do scenes and I'm sitting on the monitor and cracking up. Like, and I've had to go back to my van because I think I'm making too much noise.
Yeah.
But yeah, she's very funny on set.
Oh.
And Selena. क्या
Selena is
Selena
Sorry,
is
Muskan's
funny.
friend.
हाँ,
But
Muskan
also
is
like,
like-
funny.
Muskan
Abhinav
is
is
hilarious.
bizarre. Yeah.
Muskan looks like someone who would have a good humor.
Yeah,
Yeah. Actually, her puns are
Yeah.
On point.
banging. Yeah.
Okay, एक छोटा गेम खेलेंगे. जब भी suppose I'm asking a question for you, you don't get to answer it. Everyone else answers it for you.
As
ठीक है?
me.
Hypothetical.
As Rohit.
As Rohit मतलब वो situation में रोहित क्या करता?
Copy.
अच्छा,
Okay.
okay.
So we start with Prajakta. If Prajakta has to take 3 things with her on a stranded island, तो वो कौन सी 3 चीजें होगी जो वो अपने साथ लेके जाएगी?
Her Kindle, her bottle,
And her phone.
and her phone.
Nice, yeah, that's true.
Kindle, phone, Vrishank.
Things.
No, Vrishank also.
Oh, counts, no?
Counts,
Yeah,
counts.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
cute answer. was
Three,
it? Yeah.
top
Three.
3. You have to validate.
So then it would be, I think,
Phone, Kindle,
Then Vrishank, her mother and her father.
हाँ.
Yeah, I mean, if you're going
अरे
with
फिर वहाँ पे
that,
करो
like,
साली.
तो ज़्यादा ही cute बन जाओगे.
But can I get my Kindle also?
Yeah, she needs something.
So
no?
4 things then, rule broken.
No,
No,
to
I
drop.
think Kindle, Vrishank, and
Phone.
Phone. ऐसा
क्या
क्या
हंसी मर
something to add?
जाएगी.
No.
Same?
Yeah.
Okay.
Island पे ना.
Island पे.
अच्छा ठीक है चलो.
Okay.
Charger नहीं दिया.
रोहित की बॉन्ड कौन से को एक्टर्स के साथ सबसे ज्यादा है? नो हाउस रूल्स मिसमैच से नहीं, बट
Oh.
उसके दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट से हु इज रोहित्स फेवरेट को एक्टर अगर कोई होगा.
Co-actor.
अरे अरे.
Yeah.
Favorite co-actor?
फेवरेट इन द वे ही विल लाइक नॉट माइंड वर्किंग विद देम, गोइंग ऑन अ
He,
ट्रिप विद देम.
he
बॉन्ड
really
किसके साथ
talks
ज्यादा है?
highly about Priyanka Chopra, like a lot.
Yeah.
Which I feel is, I'm assuming he wants to work with her
Yeah.
again and again.
Who
and again.
wouldn't?
Who
Yeah,
wouldn't?
but you talk very highly of her,
Yeah.
so I'm
I do
gonna
talk
take-
very highly of her. Yeah.
Yeah.
सो प्रियंका चोपड़ा
Priyanka Chopra.
इज द
Sure.
आंसर.
Yeah.
ओके. तारुक को इरिटेट करने का सबसे बेस्ट तरीका कौन सा होगा?
उसको सुबह 5 बजे
Hi
का-
बोल दो.
हाँ, हाय बोल दो. Good morning बोल दो.
सुबह
उसको
सुबह.
5 बजे का कॉल टाइम दे दो.
5 बजे का कॉल टाइम.
5 या 6 बजे का.
I'm not a person.
Oh, I
in the
really
morning.
don't see
मॉर्निंग
it.
पर्सन.
Bro, come
I
on.
really don't see it.
Good.
I'm trying.
You know, it's good. You know, let's just end it here. He doesn't see it. Okay.
Like it's never happened that he's been like I've not seen him
Experienced that.
annoyed with me.
Also, listen, I have become a lot better in the morning
I mean,
compared to like earlier.
it's Taru.
It's just in the
Yeah.
morning.
You're not a morning
It's
person.
okay, we
I'm
love him
really not.
anyway, so that's fine.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
feel like that time in the day should only be cancelled.
They should start at 10 o'clock.
Or like increase the temperature of the AC. Sometimes like when we share a room, like if we, because we're also friends, so we travel together and we share a room. So मैं बीच में कभी-कभी उठ के temperature बढ़ा देता हूँ. So he will wake up, he'll abuse you.
Oh my
He will
god.
reduce the temperature.
कैसा है?
He will ऐसे चादर तुम्हारी ऐसे
मतलब
कर
full
लेगा.
ठंडी
Yeah,
चाहिए
every
सोते
night
time.
has to. 16 degrees
Warm
Celsius. It's very bad.
Oh, how do you sleep like that?
Exactly,
I don't
thank
get
you.
it when people
Like a
sleep
baby.
Like
Ignore.
Cozy.
that. Okay. अभिनव को अगर सेट पर गुस्सा आया, उसकी वजह क्या होगी?
मैं
क्यों?
क्योंकि हम लड़ते हैं रोज.
हाँ, ये बहुत
We fight a
लड़ू
lot.
हम रोज लड़ते हैं.
We fight a lot.
Okay.
But
On
I love
what?
you.
हाँ हाँ, I love you too.
They don't need a reason to fight.
कुछ भी.
Yeah, yeah.
It's actually mostly because of his
जाना
existence.
यार,
हमें
उधर
जबरदस्ती
जाके बात
करना है.
मैं बीच में फंस गई हूँ.
Okay, if you had to hit on someone, if Lauren had to hit on someone, how would she probably do it?
She'd be very direct.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I am hitting on you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's probably right.
I made.
We have hitting on you. Hit on me.
I like that. Yeah, that's probably true. It'll be that obvious.
Okay. If Ehsaas has a crush on her co-actor, how would her behavior be?
Very
Everyone would know
cutesy
about
and
it.
everyone
Everyone
would
would
know
know,
about it.
Yeah.
And she would think no one knows about it.
No, she would know. She
I
would
will
ensure
tell.
that
I
she
will
tells
go
everyone.
and tell everybody about it. I will be like, you know what, I'll do something about
If
it.
you ask once more,
I
she'll.
don't think there's any
If
hiding
you ask
that.
her, Abhi, she'll announce it
And
on Instant Bollywood.
And I think, yeah, I think if the crush gets a little intense, even the internet would know that she's crushing on somebody.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
Are you? बता दो instant.
Am I
Bollywood.
crushing on someone? I don't
on
know.
your co-actor? No. That's a lie.
On an actor, no, na. Then I'm crushing on
Crushing
some
on someone?
human being.
Okay.
So happy.
Okay. प्राजक्ता को अगर let's assume she's single and if अगर एक लड़के को एक लड़के को अगर प्राजक्ता को impress करना है तो उसको कौन सी चीजें करनी होगी जिससे प्राजक्ता impress होगी?
He has to be fictional in a novel.
Yeah.
Correct answer.
He should not exist.
He should not exist.
No,
Yeah.
no, but something realistic.
Yeah,
Like,
Henry
so fiction
Cavill.
can be one. but
Henry
then
Cavill in a novel.
Henry Cavill if he was also single.
Yes.
Bas.
प्राजक्ता, you have something to add?
उसको क्या करना होगा?
हाँ.
How do you look in text?
Wear a white shirt. Wear
Yeah.
blue jeans.
Yeah, have a sense of humor. खाना खिला दो
खाना
मस्त.
खिला दो, हाँ.
It's very
Very simple.
simple,
Very
basic
simple.
thing.
Yeah.
Okay, अगर 3 things जो रोहित को turn off करती है एक लड़की में, तो वो कौन सी 3
Turn off.
जिसको
If
लड़की
she
को
smells
बिल्कुल
bad,
Yeah, she won't.
like bad breath, bad body odor.
Okay, good. Yeah.
nobody has anything to say.
No.
Only I think no.
Yeah,
I'm
think.
thinking.
Uh,
I don't think he'd be able to get along with someone who has a bad sense of humor.
अच्छा, sense of humor
Because
has to be.
he can be funny when he wants to.
What the fuck do you mean by
You're
that?
funny, like 2 out of 10 times you're funny.
Like you decide, you decide your sensitive zones and
Yeah, you
your,
have your
like
sensitivity.
you know. Like
No,
I
they
could
can't-
crack the same
Oh.
joke with you on 5 different days, and I
And
never
you'd have
know.
the 5 days.
Yeah, I would never know.
Fair. Okay.
And third.
And is she the better singer than you?
Not at all. That's not a turn off.
That might
I
be
think if
Actually,
What if she loves herself more than she loves you?
Sure. I'll jump on the bandwagon. I love her more than I love myself.
But you'd want someone to love you more than. they
मतलब
love
obviously, otherwise why would you?
एक minute के अंदर
You would
you
want
would
somebody
want
to.
someone to love you more than they love
Oh
themselves.
no, I said love you. I
Acha,
thought.
no,
Yeah.
didn't stop there. I was like.
Oh sorry. I only heard that much. No.
Acha, so you don't mind if they love themselves first.
Sure.
As long as
I mean, one sure.
As long as there is love
Yeah.
somewhere.
Okay, but these are the ones.
Yeah.
You
Sure.
have anything to add?
I think dishonesty is a huge turn off
Yeah.
for me. I've said that
किसी ने सोचा
multiple
ही नहीं
times.
है.
But
Oh yeah, he said it also.
but I think they were going for more like physical.
Yeah.
things.
Yeah,
Things.
yeah.
Actually no.
Actually, it started with body odor.
Body
so
odor.
like,
Sense of humor.
But that is a very obvious huge turn off. I think for everyone.
Yeah, everyone. Huh? Who says कि बहुत ही गंदी smell है?
मजा ही आ
Wow,
गया.
इसके साथ non-date पे जाना बनता है.
Okay. तारुक की ideal date describe. अगर करनी हो तो आप कैसे करोगे?
मेरी idea
तारुक
है।
के घर पे जाओ
उसके साथ बैठ
बहुत
के
सारा
बहुत-
खाना मंगाओ
और random YouTube
बेड पे
videos
बैठ
देख
के
Random
YouTube
YouTube
वीडियोस देखो बस 4 घंटे
लेकिन सुबह मत जाना.
शाम को जाओ रात को जाओ and watch like back to back videos of like whales,
Yeah, whales and
fighter
different.
jets,
Yeah.
everything.
Have you
Or
found-
just watch him play PlayStation while he narrates things to you that you will not understand.
Yeah.
How
Yeah.
exciting.
Did you find ever someone like that who watches whale videos?
Lies.
Mostly just
I
me.
bet.
Rubbish.
Okay. Abhinav,
झूठा.
अगर you ghost
I mean,
some
unless they're
girl,
forced to. Sorry.
उसकी वजह क्या होगी?
If
You have ghosted a
Abhinav
girl.
forgot.
I have ghosted
You
someone.
have ghosted someone.
No,
What
say
is
it
the
in a
reason
different
behind
tone. I have ghosted someone.
No, say your question. No.
You have ghosted someone.
हाँ.
3 बार.
What is the reason behind it?
So they have to answer.
They have to answer.
He forgot.
He forgot
forgot?
about the
Yes.
girl.
Because so many.
Hey.
Nice.
Hey.
I think he doesn't look at ghosting as ghosting.
Yeah, I think when she meant he forgot that ghosting was not okay.
Yes. So
Guys,
he goes from I think
I do not ghost anyone. I
yeah,
don't
because
think I
they
ghost
turn
anyone.
into his friends like
Yes.
that. Like it's okay
It's
if
not about friends. I don't ghost people. I really don't. But anyway,
But I'm saying it's a hypothetical. आपने कर लिया है ghost.
हो गया.
हो गया है.
मतलब मैं हूँ ही बेकार इंसान. तू कह रही है?
किस
फिर तू कह रही है? आप हो घटिया.
किस कारण
क्यों
से
क्यों घटिया हो? ये 5 लोग बताएंगे.
हम बताते हैं.
हाँ तू हंस रहा है. Netflix वाले भी हंस रहे हैं मेरे को.
नहीं last the question but उसकी वजह क्या होगी? मतलब give me the reason.
मैं वही तो
Don't
बोल
give
रहा
me
हूँ
the
because
reason.
he
He's
does not
forgotten.
think. Yeah, he
हाँ,
does not
okay,
think.
forgot.
Or he got busy with work.
yeah,
got busy
or
with
maybe
work.
he's like not prepared
Pup.
for what she wants.
What she wants. Okay, तो ghost
They are
कर
not
दिया,
in the
ठीक है.
same place.
Yeah, he doesn't want to agree only because he's like, I will not ghost only anyone. ठीक है. Okay, what is Lauren's biggest pet peeve?
What do you think?
Oh.
That somebody she's into is not into them.
नहीं यार ये हो चुका है इतना भी नहीं है. Think of like
What is Lawrence?
even I don't know my own pet peeve.
कुछ तो होगा. जैसे तारुक
I
का
think
नो
your
waking up in the
I
morning.
lack of effort.
हाँ, those things, yeah.
ये थोड़ा deep
Can
हो
I tell
गया.
my pet peeve? It's like very like it's annoying me now that I've thought about it.
Yeah.
It's like nails on a blackboard.
Oh God. Yeah.
Terrible.
Next.
Terrible.
That's
That's
very
true.
Yeah.
I think that's
It does
everyone's
something
pet
in my
peeve,
ears.
universally collected.
My soul.
Okay, lastly, if Ehsas and her best friend fall for the same guy,
Revati
आप
and her.
उस-
And
आप
then-
उस सिचुएशन में एहसास कैसे डील करती?
कैसे
I
कर
will let Revati have.
yeah, she would.
Yeah.
Why are you not saying but?
Oh,
I wasn't supposed to answer. See, I'm
But you were gonna say I was actually
But what do you guys think? Sorry, forget
Yeah,
what
I
I
think
said.
she would let Revati have it.
Yeah, we also think
We think that.
We all think that collectively.
Collectively.
that is what we
She'll
think.
get to listen to
I
another
think-
Taylor Swift album.
I was just gonna say her and Revati would listen to a Taylor Swift
Swift
album and
Revati-
discuss how this is so apt for
I-
him. No?
है ना?
He doesn't like Taylor. That's the funny thing. So I introduce her to
Yeah.
Taylor
Oh.
Swift.
And then they
She
would go
doesn't
for
like
Era
her.
stores.
It's not that she just doesn't listen to her.
Indifferent.
So I'm just.
Yeah.
But
Awesome. But we're looking forward for Mismatch season 3, guys. All the very best, and I
Thank
hope
you.
and pray कि आगे भी 4, 5, 6 seasons आते रहे Netflix पे, because that's how much we love it. So wish you guys all the best.
Hi everyone, we are the cast of Mismatch Season 3. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Instant Bollywood. And we are in conversation with...
Aina.
And we have season 3 coming on
Season 3 is
Netflix
coming up.
Yes.
on the 13th of December. Please watch it. Woohoo!